I am not eating this dinner.
Me too. We want Hardee's.
Dark Cactus Bowser and Dark Meowser. We are not having Hardee's. We are having curry.
No, Sierra. We want Hardee's. Not this crap.
Dark Cactus Bowser. We're not having Hardee's. Eat your dinner, both of you, right now, or you both will be grounded.
No. We throwing this away.
Oh 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 oh. Dark Cactus Bowser and Dark Meowser. How dare you two misbehave at Nepali restaurant? You both are the worst boys ever existed. That's it. You both are not coming here ever again. Go home now.
Dark Cactus Bowser. How dare you misbehave at Nepali restaurant? That's it. You're grounded for 6 years. Go to your room right now.
Dark Meowser. How dare you misbehave at Nepali restaurant? That's it. You're grounded for 6 years. Go to your room right now.